I'm walking with a friend to see what we can forage and look around for the wonders of nature in the NEK. I'm particularly interested in the plants that can provide healthful benefits for us. I thought I'd start with this one, the white pine, which can grow to huge heights. You can see here it's tall, but it's not, as tall or as large as it might be when it fully achieves its potential. But in any case, the low-hanging branches are apparently food for deer, but they also provide a wonderful tea for us, which is full of vitamin C and also can clear a lot of viruses and so on. I'm not giving medical advice, I'm just saying this is something that I've heard about. The pine, the white pine is known to have 5 little, what holds the needles to the holder that comes out from the branch. There are 5 needles grouped together in each by each. So when you see, you can count the 5 needles until you get to know it. And then you can see the tree. You'll find it pretty easily. So what I do is I love coffee and I like other kinds of tea too. So what I do is every couple of days I'll put in a fresh clump of the pine needles, like about one of these. And I'll just put it in the water that I'm going to heat up and boil for tea or coffee. And what I've been doing recently is I've also been putting horsetail in, because that's another plant that's very rugged. So it doesn't fall apart, it doesn't rot in the water. So with the horsetail, which hopefully we'll find some, and the pine needles, I figure I'm just getting the benefits while I'm enjoying the coffee. This is what I've been told is a high bush cranberry, and it's the fruits stay red through the winter and apparently are a good source of food for the birds. Although I've seen them stay on the bushes so long that I'm not sure if the birds really like them so much. I haven't tried eating them, but they grow in profusion here behind this first example. It's sort of draped in, I guess the heart-shaped leaves are its leaves. So the purple clusters are probably the grapevine clusters, the grapes. And the wild grapes are delicious. This is a bunch of asters, which are almost the last flower, and you can see from here the bees that are going through it. It's pure joy, I guess, that they're still finding food. And we haven't had a first frost yet, but they're all going to be shuttered in pretty soon. Or just fall asleep forever on the flowers when a cold night moves in. And you can see other insects on these flowers too, so we always think of bees as pollinators, but there are many other kinds of insects that also pollinate. They're collecting the pollen for food, but they're also dropping it off on other flowers to help them